Hey, what's up everyone? Got the 2020 Kia Forte GT here. Figured I'd just do a walk around, show you guys some of the modifications I've done. It's a beautiful car, beautiful color. Absolutely love it. Had it for a couple months now. So just figured I'd share it. Help somebody out maybe who just bought one, looking for some modifications to do. You know, what it looks like, what it sounds like, some of these mods, where to buy them from. So, you know, hope you enjoy it. It's a beautiful color. Right in the sun, goes from like a bright orange, dark it gets, goes to a red, real beautiful. Start here, I got the JNC 042 18 by 8.5. Matte black, matte bronze finish. Painted all the calipers red. If I go to the back, I got dry carbon fiber tips here. Love them. I got a muffler and resonator delete, so it's just straight piped from the cat back. Sounds awesome. Sounds loud. Sounds mean. I'm looking forward to getting the Tork Motorsports downpipe. Hopefully I'll give it some better sound here. There's the front rims. I just love the rims. They're offset, so they make it a little bit wider stance on the car. It makes a real aggressive look. As you can see there, stick out just a little bit. Show you under the hood. I bought all my stuff from Tork Motorsports. I love them. Great guys, helped me out a lot. Answered a lot of questions for me so I can make sure I got the right stuff for my car. I got the Tork Motorsports air intake. Got the oil catch can down there. Right there, I got the Tork Motorsports blow-off valve, which I believe all the parts are made by Go Fast Bits, GFB. But it's the Tork Motorsports brand. It's a little bit cheaper. That is super loud. I got the horn on it, so it chirps really loud. People turn their heads all the time. Sounds great. I also bought the intercooler resonator delete pipe from them. So that's that. I'll try to do a video. I don't know if I'll do it in this video or a separate video of what it sounds like. Blow-off valve and the exhaust. I love the exhaust. I know some people don't like it too loud. I love it as loud as possible. But I encourage you to do muffler and resonator delete. I think it sounds great. I don't think it's too loud. There's really not that much drone. If you got the windows open, you can hear it a little bit, but the louder the better for me. But I'll try to put that in here so you guys can see it. Looking to tint the windows, do a little dry carbon wrap on some of the black pieces on the car. Get the hood louvers, like I said. Maybe do the roof in dry carbon fiber wrap. A couple other things. So I'll give you videos on those, but I figured I'd share with you. Hopefully you like it. I think the rims make it look awesome. Real aggressive stance. So hopefully you like it. But I'll give you the sounds in a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna do a cold start for you so you can hear how it sounds. Again, I'm by myself. I got nobody to really hold the phone, and every time I leave the phone on the ground, when I start it, it's so loud it shuts the phone off. So I'm gonna start it from inside the car and walk around. Hopefully it'll give you a good idea of what it sounds like for a cold start. Give you a couple revs as best as I can. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it good enough. got some good pops, good gurgles. Alright, so here's an example of what it sounds like in the cabin. Windows closed. Not too bad. You can hear the blow-off valve. You can hear the intake suck in. Just cruising, you know, while you're on the gas, you could hear a little hum. Nothing bad, nothing annoying. Even the radio on low, you'll definitely won't be able to hear anything.